All right, Christian, first start up with the new straight pipes. This is gonna be loud. Yes, you all read that title correctly. Today is the day we straight pipe our $850 Mercedes S600 V12. You all have asked for this video literally thousands of times in the comments section, so Merry Christmas, your wait is over. This car will finally scream. At the end of this video, this car will scream like no other car for $850. Mark my words. As we said, part 8 was totally supposed to be us dropping this car off at the paint shop to finally get its new paint job. But so many of you guys have ranted at us saying, hey, where are the straight pipes? You said straight pipes will come in part 3. Where are they? Make this car scream, blah, 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 blah. All right, it's time we delay no longer. We'll push off the paint job a week. Let's make this thing loud instead. So we will be cutting off practically every component of this exhaust, and it will be very, very loud. Now, we are not putting on equal length headers. Extremely expensive and time consuming. It would take months for them to be built, but that could be something we do down the line. So Christian and I were talking, if you guys get this video to 75,000 likes, because I think the headers are at least $7,500, we will put on equal length headers to either this car, or we will buy another S600 that is more worthy of a $7,500 mod than an $850 beat up one. But regardless, if you guys get this video to 75,000 likes, we will go up to the highest level possible for V12 Mercedes and put on headers to make it truly sound like a Zonda. But that's at 75,000 likes. So like it up if you guys want it. Because we definitely need your help if we go that route. But for today, for we're hoping $200. Under 200 bucks is what the shop said that they would do for this exhaust. So we'll see what it comes out to at the end. Go ahead right now, like the video, drop a comment down below if you're excited for this one. And without further ado, let's head down to the exhaust shop and make this $850 S600 scream. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we're just a few miles out from the exhaust shop here in Mesa, Arizona now, and I am so excited for this. Christian, this is the last time this car will be a peaceful highway driver with no drone and a nice quiet exhaust. Are you sure you want to do this?
I think so, because this is something that we've been thinking about ever since looking into these V12 Mercedes. And you guys know just as well as we do that they can create some amazing heavenly noises.
Even with the stock headers, you can definitely make this car sound insane.
So there's not a huge aftermarket for these cars with easy bolt-on full stainless steel exhaust systems. So we're gonna have to go a little custom route, and there are 6 catalytic converters in this exhaust, 4 resonators, I think, and 2 big mufflers, or 2 resonators and 2 mufflers. So they wanted this car to be silent because this was an executive cruiser luxury car, but we do not want it to be silent. So the previous owner has already completed a muffler delete out back, cut out the mufflers and welded in some straight pipes. And we just need to finish what he started, and that is cutting out the resonators and potentially playing with some of the cats up front.
Secondary cats.
Hopefully we won't end up with a check engine light because we still have to pass emissions, so hopefully we're not shooting ourselves in the foot here.
Fingers crossed. We're pulling up right now. Let's get this thing on the rack and get going. Cinematic, edit, exhaust. Let's get to it. All right, so there you guys have it. They just finished up. They replaced this huge resonator section with just straight pipe all the way back. So we have the little factory X pipe or H pipe there, so that should combine the sound to give it that higher pitch V12 sound, but we'll see when we go for our first startup right now. Here we go. All right, Christian, first startup with the new straight pipes.
Boy,
This is gonna be loud.
Tells me it's gonna be wild.
This is gonna be loud. Oh, yes.
Perfect.
That sounded good. Oh, it's not even that obnoxious right now.
Look at that.
Bro, that startup sound.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Give a little gas, Dave.
Oh, yes. And that limits it when you rev to like 3,000 RPMs. That was 3,000 RPMs out of 6,500 or whatever it goes. That wasn't even like obnoxious, like make your ears bleed like the Ferrari. Bro.
Really nice. That is perfect for this car.
$180 to make our thing sound like a legit V12 sports car. Oh, I'm so hyped. That sounded mint.
How do you get that level of custom work for that inexpensive?
And they did that custom fabrication. Dude, he took a straight pipe and bent it 100 which ways to make it work. Thank you so much, Christian. It sounds insane. We're gonna head off to Mexico real quick to get some after shots and some flybys. Good thing it's only a state away. Dude, the startup is classic V12. Boom, right when you start it. Here we go, let's get it. Ah, yes, much better. So the question is, how much drone will we have? Will it be obnoxious? Oh boy, that's 2,000 RPMs. It's already sounding great. Alrighty guys, so Christian and I made it to Mexico. I'm gonna grab the camera, stand outside while Christian does a full send acceleration. This thing should sound crazy, especially from the outside. There's so much sound deadening on the inside that you can't really hear it. It sounds almost the same, but from, ooh, all right. We got some sound competition from that Mustang. But like I was saying, from the outside, it should sound pretty wicked. So we got the GoPro set up to capture all this goodness. Without further ado, let's do it. Hit it, Christian. Oh my gosh, that's just the startup. All right, full send. Yo, that was crazy. $180 on an $850 S600. I think that's the closest to a Pagani you'll get for 180 bucks. What? That was actually so loud. Oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Okay, here we go. He's gonna slow down and he's gonna hammer it and hopefully it'll kick down a couple gears. All right, here we go.
Broken.
Wait, what?
I'm hitting the gas.
Oh, shoot. He just said the gas pedal is broken. What?
Gas pedal wasn't doing anything.
Oh, shoot, that's a check engine light on.
That is, oh crap, that is like super limp mode.
Oh, geez, open this up.
Crap, gas pedal's not doing anything at all.
No! Look at that. Full throttle and it's not even revving anymore. We literally broke it after one acceleration. Just turn off, turn back on.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if a restart fixes it.
Service in 30 days? How about service right now?
Be service in 30 days.
Oh yeah, just in park. Oh, okay, I got it.
Completely back?
Yeah, that's just a little...
Bro, what was that? Mercedes experts, comment down below how you can just randomly lose the gas pedal.
Well, did we get enough clips for the video?
I mean, I kind of wanted a flyby, but I'm not trying to break it even more. The people want a flyby. That did sound wicked though. What did it sound like with the windows down? I mean, could you hear it a little bit more?
It did sound really good.
It was loud.
Yeah, and that little bit of a launch, you know, giving it a little more gas than I normally would off the line, that sounded good. That was really nice. And it felt good too. It felt good. It felt good. I made my U-turn. I did that slight pull from a little bit further away to let you guys know what it sounded like from far away. That all felt good. And then I came off, and then I went to give you that flyby pull, and I had nothing. It was the worst feeling ever, pressing the gas pedal and getting nothing.
Yikes. Okay, so Christian's setting up for the flyby pull, and boy, that sounded amazing. Way louder than I thought. The pitch was way higher than I thought. I knew it'd be decent because it does have that like factory X pipe, H pipe crossing over. Hope it shows up on video well, but crap, here he comes, here he comes. to spend $12,000 when for 180 bucks it sounds like this. All right, back in we go.
Did I lay down that rubber behind me? Oh boy, that was quite loud right behind the car.
All right, boys and girls, we're back from that long trip from Mexico, and we're ready to shut her down. We still got this ominous check engine light facing us and the magical gas pedal not working.
Last video we thought Kieran still had the code reader. He lost it, so I need to buy another one.
Yeah.
So we can get to the bottom of things.
We can't even scan the codes to know what's wrong, but stay tuned for next video. We'll definitely fill you in. But any guesses why the throttle would not work? It's not cable, right?
Totally weird. Yeah, it must be throttled by wire, because if it was a cable issue, then that would continue to persist. And the throttle wasn't getting stuck open, so it's not a cable issue. It's just never been floored before, and it didn't know what to do.
Yeah, we've never floored it once since owning it, so maybe that's it. I don't know, but here, one last rev for good measure. Oh. Okay, enough fun for one day. For $180, we have a proper V12 sounding car now.
I cannot believe it. For $180, we got those custom pipes, and they are beautiful. They look factory. Maybe we'll get by emissions next year too.
Yeah, with the check engine light, I'm not sure if that's because of the exhaust. I don't think so. I really hope not, because then that would really suck, because then we can't pass emissions and we just cut off all of our exhaust. So comment down below what you guys think of the sound. I know this was a highly anticipated video, but we're happy we got it up before the end of the year. Merry Christmas to you all. This is probably going up on Christmas. We hope you have an awesome time. We're getting ready to spend it here with family. Be sure to stay tuned for Corvette content, because this car may just be getting a similar treatment as this car. Actually, what are we saying similar treatment? This ain't getting no $180 job. This is getting long tube headers, the full exhaust system, high flow cats, X pipe, and with this rear section from Billy Boat, this car is going to scream.
Really looking forward to that, and that is what we would love to do to finish this V12 Mercedes, is go all the way up to the headers. You know, we would really need your help for that, so get this video to
75,000 likes.
75,000 likes.
We'll see if they can do it. I almost hope that it doesn't hit that, because I don't want to spend $10,000, and this sounds plenty good as it is, but it's up to you guys. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. What are you doing? You're not going to want to miss the future S600 Corvette content or the other content with 20 cars at 20 years old. Always something going on.
Well, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned to our Instagram for the latest up-to-date info. You would have known about this car 2 days ago, and so make sure you're following us there, and we'll see you in the next one.
Merry Christmas.
That it feels right.